All right, guys. So today was interesting, as in it was horrible. I feel empathy for anybody who traded the first hour of the market today because literally the worst first hour I've seen in months. So that's not good. But I mean, in hindsight, it does make a little bit of sense. Big volume, like big Nvidia earnings, and I think other news if I remember correctly, something FOMC maybe. Um, so yeah, it was the first manipulation. I tried to enter here again, obviously, just trading the models, very simple models. 9:30, tried to enter on the break, ended up being a loss, just a light loss 1 hour. But it was a little bit more than 1 hour, which ended up making me almost hit max daily drawdown. But then I moved it. Tried the second trade after we swept IB, closed above 50% of this 9:30 candle. Waited for the break, stopped out again. So minus 2 are at this point, almost daily loss. I ended up, I allow myself to sometimes move the daily loss depending, like if there is another model. I'm not gonna go beyond 3 trades, like ever, but today I ended up, because I'm also pretty close to payout, and I don't really want to have like a big drawdown day or anything like that, but worst case, it would have been like max drawdown, max loss day, and I was willing to risk that because it was a nice model. I understood the manipulation, especially the second one. I had a clear standard deviation, which got hit, so it made sense. So this was the first one, and my stop was like right here, and I was aiming obviously for 3R. So let's just try this out quick. That one loss. This one also loss, although I didn't have as big of a stop loss. It was something like 70 something points. So both of these were a loss. And then I end up, after we swept this low into this for value gap on the higher time frame, I think it's like a 15-minute or something, or maybe a 30, 1 hour. Yeah, it was a 1 hour. Swept into a 1 hour. I just ended up taking at the first. So we had the first close here at 9:42, and then secondary close also at 9:42, but it didn't meet the qualifications for full size. So if you wait for the sweep and then you add full size like directly after, I saw volume breaking this candle wick, and then I just held for 3R basically, which was, we had this little liquidity point up here matched with the 3 standard deviation, held all the way max profit. I would say got kind of lucky, but yeah, I would say the first 2 trades totally fine, normal. The I did take a short here. That was emotion, so that was a bad idea. But yeah, it was whatever. See you guys tomorrow.